Hello and welcome to another video from Miniature Tanks Company. In this video, we're going to be assembling this French Canon. So, let's separate all the pieces and organize everything. All these pieces don't require through cuts, but this piece does. So go ahead, take your sprue cutters and start clipping away like so. All right, cut there. Then of course, if you wish, you can take some sanding materials, sand it down. Take that little sprue piece, cut that. All right, so that piece should be good. Now, this one, just trying to get this cut here. There you go. All right. So just try to clean that up. Now this, take your sprue cutters and just kind of peel away this plastic like I'm doing here. Just peel that away. Then clean that up and such. If you wish, you can use the sanding materials to sand that out and make it nicer. Looking good? Set that aside. Now take your sprue cutters, cut here, and make sure that the sprue cut is nice and close to the piece there, and then sprue cut these. These are some small parts. I think I'm working with the HO scale. No, this is one part. There's another one. Now all these here. There you go. These are definitely more detailed, small pieces. The bigger scale you go, the easier it'll get. Now for this, you can set these little parts aside for now because it's optional, and I'll explain that later. Just follow along. So the first steps, I like to start here. Then you take these two pieces and you glue these together. It's easy to figure out where they go. So just take some of your modeling glue. I'm even using the table as kind of a helper to align them up well. There you go. There's that piece. Just double check everything and such. Now, put some glue along this piece, like I did. And then double check, this one's not going to be the right one, so this one is the right one. And then, oops. All right. Can you even use the table to help line them up? And now let's do the other side. Just needs a bit of glue. There you have it. That's lining up pretty well. We'll put this piece back there. Now you have this piece. Just put some glue like that. And don't do that. Let's try this again. There you go. Now, carefully carefully line these up. Alright, so once you got that lined up to your satisfaction, that's great. Now you can take this piece and glue it in there. You can kind of see how that glues in. It shouldn't be glued like this, but it should be glued like this, as you can see. So, take some of your glue, put it like that. It's always good, like I just showed you, to double check everything. Make sure that you're gonna put it in the correct spot. There's that. Oops. Alright, so in this case, I was fiddling with it too much. Apply some more glue. There. Now, be careful. Get that in there. Let it dry. Press it down, etc. Alright, so I'm going to let that dry. So now, what's going to be next is this piece here. You're going to put a little bit of glue here. And then take this piece and slide that in there. And then take some glue there, and you can put this on the top there. See? So you can see how that piece really helped line things up. And it will help a lot by, sliding that piece in. You can decide, do you even need to glue that? Probably not. Okay, so there's that. And then let's glue on this end piece here. So just put a bit of glue here. And then carefully make sure all the features are lining up well. Alright, so that should be good. Gun is taking shape. Alright, so what's next? Put a bit of glue here and here. Sorry, that was off screen. Glue there, and then carefully place that piece like that. And then carefully place that piece like that. Well, once you're happy with those, there's that. One small detail here. Let's do this. Put some glue here. Take this tiny little piece and put her there. Alright, there you go. Now I'm going to let that dry. So this piece is extra in case you lose that piece. And then here's these two pieces there. This is our extra. These pieces are options. So you can put this piece here and it would be in a gun lowered position, Or you could put this piece here and it'd be like a gun firing position. So you can choose which one you want. So I'll put this off to the side with the extra pieces. And so let's glue on here and there. Now take these tiny little things, put that there. Well, first try. Then put that there. This is why this is handy for that. All right. Well, there you have that. I'll let that dry for a bit. Now let's move on to this piece. Put some glue here and here. And then put the axle, the center of this wheel there. Same on the other side, of course. There you have that. Coming together. The final steps for this piece is right there. And then you can put the gun like that. Of course, you could have used this if it was in a gun lowered position, but we're going to go ahead and glue this down. So put some glue there, or maybe some glue there and there. Then carefully get this position like that. Look. There you go. Now. All right, so then you can decide, will you glue that there? You could leave it unglued or drill a little hole with something, and then you can have this gun turn to the left or the right. That's your decision, but for the purposes of this video, let's go ahead and glue that down as well. And then let's make sure it's going straight down. That's pretty good. There you have it. There is this French cannon from World War I, I believe, and then used a lot in World War II. By many countries. It's available at miniaturetanks.com. Thank you so much for watching.